This is a quick video of the reel keel decoy anchoring system riding in current right next to a Green Headgear Pro Series unmodified decoy, just so you can see that they both ride almost the same in the water. Not pretty much identical really, just the current kind of sways them back and forth. You can see this one here. It's a Greenhead 6040 keel, there's a leaf on it there. And it's on a rig 'em right, which is in the water here. And then you can see the reel keel system. And it's got about the same amount of line on it. One more shot here, you can see that though in current, they both kind of sway back and forth. So the reel keel anchoring system keel is the same effect in the water as a conventional floating decoy.